morning, my students, and welcome to the summer lesson of Circo Polare. As you know, well, you are supposed to have followed a lot of lessons, and so now you are an expert in contemporary art. You are supposed to be an expert in contemporary art. So today we will see something a little bit difficult only for expert artists. And today we will see how the carver works using different kind of surfaces. You know, you usually use the ground to make the fireworks explode over the carver, but if you use something different like water, that is a different kind of surface, it's obvious, obviously, but we will see something really different. So today we will make another carver using the most traditional fireworks that Circo Polare use, so Gas Cantante. You will see something really different from the other cases. So let's do it. Gas Cantante. Thank you, my assistant. Where is the snorkel? Oh. Well, as you can see, this is really different. It's really a little bit minimalistic, but I think you can sell it for a lot of money. So if you repeat the operation several times, you can obtain something really different and a masterpiece like this with additional works, as you can see, that give more material, makes the painting more metallic and so more valuable with them. You will gain more money for sure, and with the additional unexploded fireworks too, which is always a nice thing. So see you soon from Circo Polare, and have a nice summer. Bye bye.